guys, so I'm working on a porch project today, and I thought I'd bring you guys on along for fun. Hey, my name is Roycycled, owner of Roycycled Treasures. Let's get started. So I found this huge stencil on Amazon. I forgot how much, but it's a really good price, you guys. And I love that it is kind of tribal, but not quite tribal. I think it's perfect for what I'm going for on my porch. So it came with this huge stencil and then also a smaller one, which is really cool to help get into those tight areas. So I swept the porch really well, and I'm going to be using some glue tape to tape this down so that it can stay put where I put it. And I have my little chair here to help me out. So, and I'm just using glue painter's tape. It's a low tack tape, so I don't have to worry about ruining my stencil. Oh, look at there. My corner isn't plumb. Imagine that. I think I'll just scoot it out a little bit and put it flush against the step. So I'm going to tape down my stencil, and I'll be using a foam roller to roll out my stencil, and I'll be using a Wise Owl's 1 hour enamel paint in alabaster for this part of my project. I love using these Dollar Tree trays, you guys, for my paint trays, $1.25, and I just go through and hot glue some texture on the bottom to help my roller roll properly. So I'll be using this for my tray today. I'm going to get this tape down, and y'all know I'm too old. I am too old to be trying to be on the ground rolling this out. So I'll be cheating, and I'll be taking my stick and screwing it on to the end of my roller, so that once I get my stencil like taped down, I won't have to be bending over or on the floor to get it rolled out. So the trick is not to put too much paint on your roller, just like with any other stencil project. So I'm going to offload on this plate. Just to make sure I don't have too much paint. See that? I got paint on the porch. Sorry. I think what I'm going to do is use the actual design as a register, because if I overlap this part of the design, the rest of it should line up. I'm using this part as a register for my next lay down, so I want to make sure I have a really good stencil. That was pretty good. Okay, y'all, it's hot. I'm sweating, so I'm done for the day. But really quickly, I want to talk to you guys about the porch. So I don't know if you guys have been watching, but I do have like 2 videos in shorts kind of showing you the project from like beginning to end. Huge transformation. But so we started out yesterday cutting out the pieces of the antique ceiling tiles to put into these insets. And so we'll be attaching those today. And we have 2 larger pieces that we'll be insetting into this space. We've trimmed out, we've primed all of the trim, but we still have to come back, and I'll be using the same color that we're using on the stencil on the floor to trim everything out. And then we have black tar paper along the edge here because we are gonna have to patch and redo the stucco that got like broken and chipped when we had to cut the opening for my mom's wheelchair ramp that we installed a couple of years ago. So, oh yeah, and the door. I'm so excited. So the door, I'm gonna paint it Wise Owl's Abyss. Abyss is the color that brought me to Wise Owl. I love it so much. It is the yummiest, darkest teal that you've ever seen, and I think it's gonna be perfect for the front door. So we're gonna go inside because it's hot. But you guys, please come back and check out our progress on the porch. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys are looking for the supplies I used here today, you can find them on my website at roycycled.com. If you like DIYs and crafting projects and home decor projects, be sure to hit subscribe and follow me. If you hit the little bell, you'll actually get an alert whenever we upload a new video. Thank you. Remember, you guys can do this. Like, none of this is hard. You guys can do it today. Have a blessed day.